Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is when a UFC couple is caught shoplifting. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about here. Let's do it, man.
On the 7th, about 9:45, they were in there taking some merch, about $250 worth.
That exact vehicle, the faces,
Okay,
we ran it.
PC.
Yeah, there's enough PC. It's not like, well, it might be.
And it matches all the DL photos.
Yeah, it matches the deal.
He's not the UFC fighter or whatever.
Yeah,
is he?
yes, he is.
We'll just keep all your officer safety shit in mind, man. Like they're monsters.
He's bigger than all three of us, so.
Yeah. Cool. You want to just
Watch all
roll
of
up
this
and rip it?
Let's do it. Let's go make contact.
Yeah.
And where do you have a description? Lindsay's coming to the door. Hi. Hello, Lindsay. How are you? Okay. Is John available as well?
What is this about?
It's in regards to some things that happened at Kohl's. If you want to go ahead and step out here, if you want to yell for John.
John's not here.
Okay.
Let's
step over here because we have to have a conversation.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I just seen a gentleman go inside that fit the description. Oh, there's John. Hey, John, how are you?
How you doing? Everybody.
So, before we do anything, just for everyone's safety, I know you guys aren't going to want to do this, but unfortunately, I just want to detain everyone for safety. So, let's go ahead and turn this away from me.
Inside.
Okay, we'll take care of it. How old is you? Yeah, this is just for safety precautions, okay?
What? For what?
We'll go over here in just 1 second.
You have so many weapons on you.
No, of course not. Well, our
Like he's
our
in there.
shepherd is.
Right, and we have to go pick up our kids, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we have stuff that we need to do.
Do you have your movie card on you? Yep. I haven't put it on my new notepad yet. Let me read this to you guys real fast.
And question them.
I'm sorry.
We can read them both and have them both answer that, and then
Before we answer any questions, or we talk to you about anything, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. I will with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to your lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Of course.
Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
No.
Okay, that's a good answer. That is a good answer. Make sure you lawyer up. You don't have to talk to the cops. You really don't. But one thing that I thought that was interesting was that how she was just so quickly prepared to lie for him, right? When in the beginning, when they got her out of the house and they're like, hey, well, we're looking for John. Oh, John's not here. Meanwhile, they've been stalking out the crib and they seen him walk inside. Really? Like, come on, man. Just be honest. You know what I mean? You don't want to escalate things worse than what they really have to be. So it's just grab them, and then we can move on from here. But and then she want to fumble around with the mail. Oh, we got things to do, this and that. Oh, not today. The only thing you need to do today is contact a bondsman, okay?
We don't have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to. That's your right. That's why I had to go over that with you.
I need water. I just kind of literally.
Right, we just finished working out.
I might pass out. I haven't worked on like 3 weeks.
Do you need medical attention?
No, can we just get water at our own house?
Well, unfortunately, at this time, we're not going to do that. See, we have some information at Kohl's where you guys were in there and you proceeded past the point of payment, which means you guys are going to be charged with retail theft, okay? That's why we read Miranda to you. You had the opportunity to speak with us. Regardless of that, I have enough information and probable cause to arrest you guys for both of that.
I might.
We've got some surveillance footage. We've got all of that.
Just sit down for a second.
Yeah, if you want to sit, that'd be fine.
Yeah.
You want to sit as well?
I just started a new prescription, and I haven't worked out in a couple weeks, so I'm like really about.
You want to sit or you want to lean up against the car? Whatever you want to do.
Okay, I don't know what this means. What does this mean? So now our kids are gonna not be picked up from school?
Do you have a number, somebody that we can
No,
call to get them?
it's just us. This is ridiculous.
So if it's not you guys, then we have to call.
So you want our parents to fly from Chicago right now? Because that's not possible. We don't have any money. We're 90 days past.
Okay. Here's the option.
Can you get these?
We can
off of
call
me,
a
please?
friend or a family member to come help
don't
take
have a
care of
friend or
your son.
family member.
Then the next option.
And you're not taking our kids.
I'm not taking him. I'm going to have to contact DCF. and
No,
we're
you're
gonna
not.
have to do that.
Absolutely not. You're not.
Unfortunately for that, that's what we're going to do. You don't get the choice of that anymore because you guys are both being placed under arrest
No,
for
we're
retail
not.
theft.
We did not steal anything.
Okay.
So I'd like
You
to
can go to
know.
court and you can
Sure.
fight that battle when that time comes, but
Sure.
that's not going to be today.
Okay.
If you'll
Well,
turn and face away from me, we'll put you down for weapons.
for weapons?
Yes. And do you have anything on you that's going to stick, poke, or hurt me?
No, I don't have anything. Go inside and turn around. This is ridiculous. Stop.
Lindsay, enough.
This is ridiculous. Stop. No.
You're not
That's
doing
my.
it.
Look at my son.
Okay, then we'll walk to our car. He doesn't have to see it.
I appreciate
No.
your cooperation.
You don't want to
sir.
walk to the car? You want to get tased? That's what we want? You want to be
gonna
carried
sit
like
here.
a child? You want to show this to your son?
No, I don't know why you're here.
Stand
I'm
up.
not standing up.
Stand
I'm
up.
not standing up.
Do you want to stay here with her and then I'll just pull the car up?
That works.
Honestly, she's a train wreck. This could go so much smoother. This could go really, really smooth, or it could go really, really bad. And she's making a conscious decision to turn this into something that her son is never going to forget. So this is just absolutely embarrassing on her part. The guy, he's actually pretty calm. He's actually pretty calm, pretty chill. Her, she's a train wreck, and I know she's probably a headache for him.
And then we'll drag her from there.
You will not. Because that's assault. You're assaulting me for no reason on my own property.
You want to go for resisting too?
No, I want to leave me alone, dude. You're not gonna wrestle me. I'm way stronger than you.
Okay, yeah, you are.
I know.
You are. So you want to go for resisting too?
Sure.
Stop, Lindsay. Please. Please stop. And then we need to call Julie.
I can't get my phone. How are we supposed to call her? That's the only person I have. Get off of me.
It's not happening now.
Okay. I'm going back in my house because this is my house. No, what are you gonna do? Shoot me?
You're going to get tased. You want tased?
Now.
You're going to get tased. Walk to the damn car.
Give me my shoes. Give me my shoes and my phone.
This is over.
This is.
You're about to get tased. Get up now.
You just pushed me down. How am I supposed to get
3
up?
seconds. Get up. You're going to get tased. 1,
Bullshit.
2.
I can't get up because you're pushing me down. Give me my shoes.
1.
Give me my shoes. Stop, dude. This is bullshit.
Here, walk this way so it's not so much of a hill.
What does it matter if it's a hill? Now you care? Now you care? Coming to my house and assaulting me on my property? Who do you think you are? That's what I'd like to know. I need shoes and I need my phone.
We're not doing it right
I'll give
now.
you shoes.
Do not do this again.
I need my shoes and my phone. How am I supposed to call someone without my phone? Can you tell me that?
Put your legs in.
Can you tell me how I'm supposed to call someone without my phone?
Phone's in the wall.
There's no, how am I supposed to get a phone number?
Remember them.
Huh?
Why?
What's your phone?
Remember them? We don't have anyone here.
You're about to get it again. Stop.
Go. Give me my phone.
Because when I can at least get home and take care of it.
Yeah.
That's all I'm worried about.
For sure.
He,
I got medics coming for him.
Right. Do you have anyone that we can call?
Julie.
Friend, coworker?
I do. She can come immediately.
Do you have a phone number for her?
I don't know her phone off
Where's your phone
the
at?
top of my head.
You could at least give me my shoes. It's hot as back here. You trying to kill me too?
There you go, ma'am. It's on Max.
Okay, I need my phone and my shoes. And you cannot go in my house, so I need to go get them.
That's never gonna happen.
I need to lock my house. You will not leave my house unattended.
I'll lock it for you.
No, you cannot go in my house. Dude, this is bullshit, dude. Get me out of here!
So it's in the kitchen on the island.
Yeah, but I don't want.
What kind of dog do you have?
So,
You're not going in there. Buddy.
yeah, I don't want you guys going in there.
Okay, you don't want us to go inside?
I don't want him getting hurt.
Okay.
He's a pup.
Doggo?
He's a 10-month-old German Shepherd.
Okay.
If no one can come pick up your son, then DCF will go in just to get your son.
No, they won't. No one is touching my son, by the way.
Okay.
You will not be touching. And GCFS won't either. That's not how this works. You don't just take people's kids for no reason.
You're right, we don't. We take them for their safety.
For their safety? My kids are the safest kids in the world.
Not when they're by themselves.
Hello?
Is this Jillian?
Yes.
Hey,
This is
Jill.
Officer Allen with the Cape Coral Police Department. I'm here with John. Do you want me to just go ahead and ask her to come over and watch the boys?
Yeah, Jillian,
Is the door open?
could you please come over?
Did Jillian answer?
I don't know. I'll let you know here in a minute.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
You're
Hey,
welcome.
how long do you think you'll be?
I live 5 minutes down the road.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Did you call out to detain?
I did not.
2002 Cape to detain.
Oh, you guys got Big Mama coming, right? So you can handle me? Is that right?
No, you're handled.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on her way. She'll be here in like 4 minutes.
Would you like EMS to check you out?
No. For what? For what?
For anything?
No.
All right, we'll grab your hat and all that stuff. So we're just going to. Oh, is this?
This is Jillian.
Jillian.
Hi, Jillian. Hey. So the door's open.
Okay. So these two on camera stealing from Kohl's, very clear, very PC.
Okay.
So
2303, all units 10-4.
We need to let them know, I guess. It's just Jillian's
Uh-oh.
time. Hold on.
great.
There goes the dog. Way to go, you stupid pigs! You let the dog out! There she goes! She's gonna get hit by a car! Way to go! Good job!
Your friend let your dog out
Oh, because you guys are here for no reason!
because you were stealing at Kohl's,
I
ma'am.
wasn't stealing bullshit! I was picking up an order! An order that I paid for! You wanna see my receipt? I could show you on my phone.
We know you picked up an order and then you put other items in there.
No, I didn't. I'd like to see them. I'd like to see them.
And I gotta just search your pockets real quick before you go.
It's our fault.
Honestly, the guy is pretty. I like the guy. He's he handled himself like a professional. He handled himself accordingly. It is what it is. He didn't say nothing. You know, took care of everything. Got the babysitter over. You know, handled everything without the police going in the house and everything like that. He did a great job. The girl, on the other hand, she's a train wreck and she got a big mouth. And it really doesn't make no sense why you guys would be stealing from Kohl's. It looks like you live in a nice neighborhood. It looks like everything is all right. But we know that there's some financial problems that's going on because she started to say, oh, we're 90 days late. So something is going on there where they either got down on their luck or whatever the case may be. I would just be curious to know what items it is that they actually stole. Like, are they stealing food to feed the family or whatever? Or are they stealing maybe electronics to try and sell and flip for money or whatever the case may be? That's the only things that I would really actually be interested in. But never mind all of that. I think the guy handled himself accordingly and he handled himself with some class. It's a messed up situation, but he handled himself correctly. The girl, she's boy. Oh boy.
We might let the dog out. She did.
And then you know how females is with, female to female contact. You know what I'm saying? You know they gotta boast themselves and so you know how that go already. But whatever.
That's what I said. That's when she started yelling. I was like, you're yelling at your friends.
What? Hey! Go get the dog, please.
Does she need to lock the dogs up?
Or can they be out?
I would say, by the way, she's screaming that
Leave them out.
Her hands are not. Her hands are. She's okay.
Just so put a leash on her or something. She's right there. She's right there.
We're gonna get your dog.
Let the dog get hit by a car and die.
I'm gonna let you calm down so we can readjust your cuffs.
But I'm not going to do anything that you say until I do that. Please go get my dog. Go get the dog, please. Just put a leash on her. How is this so difficult?
No.
Good.
He was feeling lightheaded because he's fasted all day. He's good though.
right.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Okay.
So, I have a little issue. He's out of her handcuffs on the back.
So we have to take her back out.
Awesome.
Get them back on.
So,
Jillian needs those papers from the car. She needs 2 yellow papers.
hold on, ma'am. So here's the deal. So you took your handcuff off. Now that might not seem like a big deal to you.
It slipped off
Okay.
because I'm sweating back here, and you had it right here.
You have to put them back on. Okay. Now I want you to face me, and I want you to put both hands behind your back and keep them there. Okay. Face me. Both of them behind your back. And keep them there the entire time until we get your handcuffs refastened. Okay.
You guys got that side, I'll go over here.
I just don't understand. Then what's... I don't understand.
I'd rather.
I'm not going to the hospital. I don't
Massive hand wounds until my hands were already touched.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.